me, Robert rcmann here. Oh no, welcome back to the channel, folks. Big Beard RC. So in this video, we're going to take a look at what happens when you take Rob from rcmann, Kev Talbot, Mad Max. You throw in a discussion about taking a brand new, ready to run carbon fibre rllarlo ak917 speedrun car to a concrete skate park. Now, Rob's my best mate, and he's kindly sent me the car to repair. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at some of the footage from Rob's video when he took the speedrun car to a skate park. Don't ask me why, but he did, because that's Rob. And they sent it off the ramps, jumped it, slid it, smashed it, crashed it, airborned it, everything you could think that you wouldn't do with a speedrun car. Or should I say normal people wouldn't do with a speedrun car. But when you take Rob, Kev and Mad Max and you do all this, you get, let's take a speedrun car to a skate park. So we're going to have a look at the clips, then we're going to do an overview, have a look at what was damaged in this speedrun car from a skate park. Then I'm going to do your breakdown of what's been broken and what needs to be replaced. And then we're going to do another video where I show you how to take everything apart, replace everything, and put this rllarlo speedrun car back to how it should be to run on a speedrun. Or so I thought, because knowing Rob, this is probably going to go off an even bigger ramp and be sent to the moon. So let's take a look at the clips and let's have a look at what's been damaged.
Oh, flipping out! Is it alive?
rllarlo, baby! What are you going to do with that, dude?
Maybe take skate park or maybe speedrun it.
Skate park?
Speedrun car, dude.
You can't skate park there.
Do you know
Why
what?
not? Who
Why
says?
not? Let's do it. Come on, let's do it.
Yeah, let's do it.
So this is one of those pro ones. Look, fully carbon fibre. Brand new out of the box. You can see, look, not a scratch on it. Oh, she jumped! Ah, oh, she's been on the roof now. Max is under control. Oh, we're crawling now. Oh, have a go.
Got a challenge for you. So you got to go along here.
Never listen to a Max challenge. Listen to a Max challenge. It's finished. Game over.
Jeez, that's too fast to flipping keep up with. Alright-ish.
I can progressively do it. Go on, let's go send it.
Oh no, what's going on now?
Max is having a go. Max reckons he'll kill it. Oh, go on! Oh! Oh, yes!
Right, let's have a look at the damage that's been caused by these three lunatics. So we'll start with the body. A little bit of rubbish from the front wheel there. Nothing major. No breakages. There's a little bit of a split there, the bottom of the plastic foam splitter. All the lights work, the fan works, so there's no damage there, which is phenomenal really when you compare how much these cars are. So, first thing to note, receiver died, that's toast. Yep, that's completely dead. So I have tested these individually. ESC works, motor works, all the lights and auxiliaries work, servo, etc. got no problem with the servo. All the wheels are fine, which is, again, crazy. The only damage is the turnbuckles, left and right. You can see the cable tied. I think that's a Max repair. He loves his cable ties. That's the only damage there, and there is literally one broken CVD, which is there, and that is it. Literally, that is it. The car runs fine. Underneath, bit of scrapage and damage, some scuffs on the carbon fibre, a couple of screws that are going to need to come out. That's not bad at all, really. You can get them out and just replace them. That's easy. There's no actual damage to the carbon fibre, as I can see, other than some scuffs. No cracks, no breaks, no nothing like that. Still structurally sound. He did break off the exhaust piece that sits on here with 2 LEDs in, as you can see. There's a dangling LED there, and there is, if I can get my finger in there, there is one there. So 2 LEDs, just need to go back in, just need to replace this silver bit, goes in here, these push inside, and that is literally the only damage that has been done to this car after being sent off a concrete skate park, which is kind of unbelievable, really. This is how I got it. I've checked the receiver's definitely dead. The SE is fine, motor's fine, no bend in the drive shafts. There is literally no damage to this car other than the damaged screws, the 2 top turnbuckles, and it's a dog bone, not a CVD. I did say CVD, but it's a dog bone. It just literally snapped the 2 prongs off the end. But other than that, this car is literally ready to go again, and I can't honestly believe how this car is still in one piece after the destruction that it got given, as seen in the videos that you've just seen. I'll leave a link to Rob's from rcmann's actual video of this, where I've taken the clips from, but there is like just no damage. I mean, like, the body post didn't even break, or there is no damage. Everything's straight. The CVDs are straight at the front. There's just nothing wrong with it other than them. It's mind-boggling to think how these have got not damaged. It's crazy. Now I do have, if I just reach behind me, a box with all the spare parts in, spare receiver, arms, hubs just in case they were broke, but they're not, CVD kit to change the backs to CVDs, and that's the exhaust piece that's broke, that little silver thing there, exhaust thing, and then the 2 plastic tops for there. And Rob did want to upgrade them to the metal ones, so he got them as well. So literally a receiver and that metal bit, well, that plastic metal looking thing there, pop the CVDs in the rear, and then that is literally, oh yeah, no, sorry, bear with me, with, where are you, there you are, them. So you've literally got your top arms, your CVDs, which was a dog bone, but you could have just got the dog bone, the little metal piece there that the LEDs go in for the exhaust, and a receiver. Now all in all, that is not, in fact that's unbelievable. I've seen people take X-Maxes out and not even taken anywhere near as much abuse as this thing did. So if anybody of you had any doubts of whether rllarlos are built well or not, well, the proof's in the pudding. It got sent off a concrete skate park and took some nasty hits. I think it went 20-30 feet in the air, you know, it landed and it's still running, and that little bit of damage is nothing, and it is literally just the cheap Chinese metal that split on the turnbuckles. That is it. So, I mean, if you could get them out, you could replace them without replacing the arms. But literally, piece of plastic, a receiver, one dog bone if you didn't want to upgrade to the CVDs, and 2 top arms. That is it. After Rob, Kev, and Mad Max sent this to the moon. I mean, yeah, phenomenal build quality for the price of these things. It's ludicrous. 100 mile an hour out of the box as well. It kind of shows how the Chinese RC manufacturers are progressing in terms of quality, and this is quality, and there's no arguing about it. This is a quality piece of kit. So in the next video, we're going to replace the top arms, pop the CVDs in, mount the receiver and rebind it to the radio, pop that little metal bit on, give it a clean, and then this car is literally ready. Remember, if you like what you see, subscribe, hit the bell button to be notified of any future videos.